In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a file in Visual Studio Code. This is one of the very first things you need to feel comfortable with when you're starting to code or edit text, and it's absolutely essential to avoid losing your work. Let's start from the beginning. First, make sure you have the Visual Studio Code application open on your computer. If it isn't open yet, go ahead and launch it the same way you normally open your programs or apps. Once it's running, you should see the main editor window with the menu bar at the very top and the main area where your code or text will appear. Before you save, you'll usually want to have something typed in the editor. This could be a new file you've just started, or an existing file you've been editing. If this is a brand new file, and you haven't saved it before, Visual Studio Code will treat it as an unsaved document until you give it a name and a location. To save your work, move your mouse to the top left corner of the window and click on the File menu in the menu bar. This is the starting point for many actions in Visual Studio Code, and saving is one of the most common. When you click File, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Save. If this is the first time you're saving this particular file, Visual Studio Code will open a dialog box asking where you want to save it and what you want to call it. Take a moment to choose a folder that makes sense for your project, so you can easily find it later. Then type in a clear and descriptive file name. If you're working with code, make sure you include the correct file extension, like .js, .py, .html, or whatever matches your language, so Visual Studio Code can give you the proper syntax, highlighting, and features. Once you've chosen the name and the location, confirm by clicking the Save button in that dialog. From now on, every time you click File and then Save, or use your keyboard shortcut, Visual Studio Code will update that same file with your latest changes. Make a habit of saving frequently as you work. This simple process of opening Visual Studio Code, going to the File menu and clicking Save will help you protect your progress and keep your projects organized.